every now and then, there's a family recipe that has been a part of your world for forever, and I am lucky enough that my mom still makes them for me. Hi, I'm Nica Waters, and I have these amazing people here to help me with Tasty Thursday today. Introducing...
I'm Joni from Reno, Nevada.
And I'm Linda from Rupert, Vermont.
That's my mom. That's my mom.
Nica's
my mom.
And I'm M.A. from Harrogate, North Yorkshire in England.
The Dynamic Sisters are here to make
Lemon
Whippersnappers!
Yay!
Here to help me today with Tasty Thursday are the dynamic trio of the sisters. They're all wearing matching Snare Camp Vermont t-shirts. So, can you introduce yourselves to, as my mother would say, our viewers in video land?
The charming sisters.
The charming sisters.
Blanchard girls.
The Blanchard girls.
Blanchard
Okay,
girls.
here we go. The Blanchard girls. Starting with the eldest.
My name is Joni.
And I'm Linda. I'm in the middle.
And I'm the baby. I'm Marianne, or M.A.
All right. And can you tell me a little bit about what you're making today?
We are making lemon whippersnappers that my mom used to make.
Excellent.
And
what's so funny?
this has been passed down from generation to generation. So we make them for our children. Nica, the founder of Tasty Thursday.
That's me, yeah.
And her brother Zachary, who was also on a Tasty Thursday show.
Last year,
and
2 years ago.
Joni makes them for
My grandsons as well.
Excellent.
And unfortunately, I can't because I don't have the cake mix, which is the basic part of the recipe.
Or the Cool Whip.
Or the
that
Cool
would be
Whip.
really difficult.
So, but they're good. They're really, really good.
We've got lemon cake mix. Duncan Hines is
Hines.
the preferred brand.
Yes, that's
Yes.
right.
Okay.
And then this is a farm fresh egg from Ron and Donna, and look at how
Beautiful.
orange that yolk is.
That
I mean,
is one-
this really adds to the lemony look of this cake.
Okay, my question. Did Nana ever have farm fresh eggs with which she did lemon whippersnappers?
Yes, she did.
All the time.
Yes.
All the time.
Yes.
All the time.
Okay. Do
Yes,
you concur, Jenny?
definitely.
I agree.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
So
Good.
we do the lemon cake mix.
Yep.
1 egg
Where's the blank?
and 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Now the Cool Whip container is a little bit smaller than it used to be, so we usually just do half.
True is that I make
Enough?
this with chocolate cake sometimes.
You make this with chocolate cake? Oh, you rebel, you.
Wow.
No.
No, you don't. You
Just like a
need this.
spatula? Do you make these, M.A.? Oh, M.A. doesn't
Because
make
we
these.
don't have cake
Wow.
mixes in England.
Oh.
Oh, is that right?
So
That's
we don't have this lemon supreme cake mix in England.
Oh.
Do not use a plain white cake mix and add lemon. It doesn't have the same flavor because I tried that one time.
Okay.
I think everybody in the United States must realize how good this is because oftentimes you can't find
The ingredients.
Ingredients.
the key lemon cake mix.
Does it have to be Duncan Hines?
No,
No.
it could be Pillsbury.
Betty Crocker.
I like that Joni does
So
this.
if you
'cause
do
is
this,
how I
okay, you
this
do it.
too. Right, okay. All three of you.
Roll it in there.
M.A.'s going to be like, wait, what?
Here, just go like this.
Oh, so
And
mom
go like
uses
this.
her, okay, rolling it in powdered sugar.
It couldn't
Okay.
be simpler.
And it's probably as good for sugar high for this cake.
And the thing about these cookies is they are so chewy.
They're
And
delicious.
with
wanna
the
have a
lemon
go?
flavor, it's absolutely marvelous.
So then this is what we do here.
Yep.
We roll them around in the sugar. Then we put them right on the here. This is something that's
Are they
been-
are they too close together? Do they need
No,
to
they're
be
gonna be
apart?
Give you a
So
block
this is
right.
roll.
It's about an inch.
Yeah.
I'm showing
You've
you
got a
with my
projection
thumb.
line.
It's about an inch apart.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, we could do that.
You take the fork,
Oh, Linda, I don't
Right?
do that. Oh,
and
yeah,
then
that's how
you
they
come and
get.
you make a hatch.
See, those are, we put them in a 350 oven, and it should be for about 10 minutes, but it's good to
Check
notice
after
how
8.
they're cooking because you want them just a little bit brown on the top. Right. So they're almost ready, not quite. They're brown on the top. See that?
all of you Tasty Thursday viewers, look forward to this because it's an incredible treat.
Everybody gets a bite.
Ready?
Yummy!
All right.
So there you have
There you
it. Lemon whippersnappers.
They are
Happy,
Yummy.
happy, tasty
Tasty
Thursday.
Thursday.
If you like what
Yay.
you've seen, press like. Tag a friend you think should see it. Share it with somebody who loves family recipes and being together with your mom and your aunts and delicious cookies that are made with simple ingredients. And don't forget to subscribe. There will be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. Have the most delicious week.
And this is being recorded by her very talented daughter. Bee.
My-
I am.
Bee, you good. Oh, yeah.
Thanks.
Wait a minute. Where's the?
Look, that's it.
Now, what are we supposed to say
Are we
here?
good?
Ouch.
She's gonna let her face.
Are you gonna wet your pants? Are you
Don't get
filming
us.
this?
Don't get us.
Don't
started
start laughing.
He said we never will stop.